My name is Jean Ellen Trubshaw, and I'm from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This yoga teacher training was life changing, which you don't expect at the age of 64 years old. I never expected to come out feeling like I would actually be able to teach yoga, but it's never too late to learn new things and new experiences and challenge yourself to do something beyond what you think you can do. One thing I really enjoyed about the curriculum was learning more about the philosophy of yoga. I hadn't really studied it very much, and I really didn't have very many preconceived ideas, but I found it to be so serene and so beautiful. And the way Liz and the other instructors presented it just made it so accessible and so understandable that I really felt like I could pull it in and enjoy it. Salvatierra is definitely one of the most beautiful places I have ever been to. It's just pristine, it's idyllic. The beach is truly one of a kind. It's miles long, surrounded by mountains, and it's just a place where you absolutely can just really find your inner peace and not be distracted by anything other than the beauty of this place. The community of yogis is really one of the most loving and kind and uplifting group of people I've ever spent time with. You think that when you're going to be somewhere for 2.5 weeks with the same group of people, there might be a little friction here and there, but not one negative word, just positive, uplifting, and glorious. I feel so grateful to have found this yoga teacher training. It was all looking on Google, and I was looking for something that would be very well balanced with regards to the philosophy and the physical asana and all different approaches to yoga. And it met every single requirement. Liz is an amazing teacher. We learned about alignment. We did some amazing yoga as part of our learning. And I'm just really grateful that this is where I landed. It was exactly what I was looking for. Awesome. Thanks.